In this video, you'll learn how to build custom templates in Slickplan's Content Planner to standardize structure and guide your team. Start by creating a new template. Give it a name, and the template editor will open. Drag in blocks like text, images, or video to create the structure you need. Each block can be labeled and customized with instructions. Use the Instructions field to add word limits, formatting notes, or examples. You can also pre-fill SEO settings, so important patterns are ready for every page. Templates save automatically. You'll see a confirmation checkmark, and the header shows how many pages a template is applied to. That's it. With custom templates, you can give your team a clear framework for consistent content. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.